Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Sky and I'm so glad that you're here for this video. So today we're going to be taking a look at all of the beautiful antique decor and fall finds at my local antique store. So we have quite a few in the area, but my absolute favorite is the Depot at Gibson Mill. And if you have been around for even maybe a month or two, you probably already know that. You've probably already taken a trip with me there. It is one of my favorite places to look for antique pieces because it is so large. It is the largest antique mall in the South and you are guaranteed to find something you love. And that is why I love to go there. So we're gonna take a trip there. My sweet friend Sarah from Laugh Lovely Angela is going with me. Her and I are good friends and we love antiquing together. So she's probably gonna be capturing some footage there as well. I'll leave her channel link down below if you want to check it out. It's always fun to see the different things that stick out to each of us just because our style is a little bit different. And yeah, so it could be fun to see two different perspectives shopping at the Depot. Before we head out, I do want to take a quick moment to kindly thank Walmart for sponsoring today's video. With the holidays right around the corner, I knew that there were some things that I'd had on my list that I really wanted to grab to just make our holiday hosting experience just a little bit more seamless this year. So we host Chad's family and they're all from Illinois. So they come and visit us in North Carolina for several days and we just spend the Thanksgiving week together and we do the big Thanksgiving meal, and we usually will do some sort of Friendsgiving or friends get together with our community group around that time too. So I knew that I needed to stock up on some things that I had made note of last holiday season that I wish I had had. So the first thing that I grabbed from the Walmart app is this beautiful baking dish from the Pioneer Woman. I love this so much. It is 100% my style. It has this beautiful ivory color to it with this gold lid. Could this be any more me? I don't think so. But I love that it has a lid because oftentimes we have leftovers during the holiday season. And I'm usually using something like tinfoil or saran wrap to just, you know, keep everything nice and fresh. And so the fact that there's a nice secure lid to this was such a bonus. And not to mention, it is just beautiful. Another item that I grabbed is one that I just knew I needed in a larger size. So I have a small glass measuring cup, I guess, but it's pretty small. I think it goes up to about 2 cups. And I knew I needed something for larger batches, especially when we're baking around the holiday season. And I found this one. It's 2 quarts and it is huge. I love it. I think it was like $8, y'all. That is another reason why I love Walmart so much, is everything is so affordable. You truly can't beat the prices. And I know that I'm gonna be putting this to great use, baking all the cookies and delicious fall things. I truly love hosting and I love being able to make others feel at home when they are visiting our home. Maybe it's just for a few hours or maybe they're actually staying with us. So I'm really excited about this next find. It is an espresso machine and it of course fits the aesthetic of our home. It's also just gonna bring a whole nother level of cozy in this fall season. If you know me, you know I love my coffee and I really love it dark and bold. So espresso is just like my love language. But I'm excited to make our guests some cappuccinos, maybe macchiatos, so many different options, and I'm really excited for this. So stay tuned. At the end of today's video, I'm gonna be sharing a recipe for a fall drink with my new espresso machine. And then the last item that I picked out actually has not arrived yet. It should be here shortly, but I wanted to go ahead and pop it on the screen here to share it with you. It is this beautiful crock pot by the line Beautiful that is Drew Barrymore's brand. And we actually have a couple of items from Walmart from Drew Barrymore. We have her huge tabletop skillet. We use it all the time and it's amazing. And I also have her electric kettle, which I've shared on here before. And we just love it because it's functional and fits the aesthetic of our home. I wanted to add a second crock pot to our collection of just different kitchen appliances because the one that we have is from our wedding like 12 years ago. And it's great, it gets the job done, but it's small. And this one's a lot larger. I'm gonna be able to fit more food and just make all of the cozy things this fall season, from soups to roasts, you name it, we're gonna be making it. And this way, if we make it for our family of 5, we're gonna have leftovers, but if we're hosting, I can have both crock pots going and there will just be plenty of food. Download the Walmart app to find all of your favorite seasonal and everyday products at the touch of a button. It's such a user-friendly, easy way to get your shopping done, especially in the busyness of the holidays, and you can avoid the large crowds as we move into the fall season, which unfortunately also means sick season and just all of the germs. Take that step out. You can have your items delivered right to your door through the Walmart app, or you can select pickup if you know that you're going to be in the area and want to just go ahead and pick them up. Thank you again, Walmart, for sponsoring this video. It was such a beautiful morning. The leaves were starting to change a little bit and the air was definitely crisp. This was one of the first actual cool mornings that we have had yet this fall, and it just really set the mood for such a lovely day. We had a blast. Sarah and I grabbed some coffee and just got to chat and catch up a little bit before the depot opened, and then we headed in there and did a little antique shopping. There were a few items that I was looking for in particular just going into this shopping trip. I was looking for potentially a coffee table. I didn't find one, but that's okay. I'm sure I'll find one on Marketplace. You never know. But I was also keeping my eyes peeled for some cappuccino cups or latte cups. I wanted to have a few cute ones for our new espresso machine. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video because I am sharing a maple vanilla latte recipe and it is fantastic. So please don't miss that because you're going to want to try this fall. Another item that I was on the lookout for, and honestly I always am, are baskets. I was looking for a really big oversized laundry basket or a basket to put by our fireplace, just stuffed with cozy blankets, and I did find one. So again, stay tuned because after this little shop with me portion, I'm going to share the items that I ended up bringing home this day, and I found some really good ones. booth is always one of my favorites to walk through, and the booth owner actually owns several booths in the depot, so I'm always drawn to just her style and the items that she carries. I thought that this little pitcher was so cute and perfect for putting some frothed milk in. So I ended up taking that one home for sure. But there's so many beautiful candlesticks and books, and they did have them marmalade Dundee jars and all kinds of goodies. So this is one that I typically spend a good bit of time just browsing around. We are back home now, and I'm excited to share my treasures with you. As I mentioned a little bit ago, that I did find a huge laundry basket, and I love this one so much because it's actually in really good shape. I got it for around $45, and I am just so excited to use it. Now, I did also find the perfect little set of a little latte mug as well as the little saucer underneath it. I loved the scalloped detail on this. And I also found this wooden riser. I thought this was so pretty, unique, definitely rustic. I want to add that to one of our coffee tables and put some candles or pumpkins on top of it. I grabbed one more gourd. I just couldn't help myself. You guys know I have a million, but I grabbed one more because I love the apple shape of this one. And I did grab the super cute little pitcher. This was about $8 and just great quality. I know that I can use it for decor and also use it functionally, so that was a no-brainer for me. Okay, friends, we are hopping into my coffee bar and we are going to make the most delicious maple vanilla latte. This is so simple and I am absolutely obsessed with my new espresso machine from the Walmart app. Make sure you check it out. I'll have it linked below, but it is fantastic. This was so simple. So all you need is some milk of your choice. I chose oat milk, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and cinnamon, and of course your espresso. I am going to list the actual recipe for you if you are interested, but this was so fast and easy to whip up and truly a delight to drink. friends, that wraps this video up. I hope that you enjoyed this one and just felt inspired by taking a walk through the depot at Gibson Mill. I hope that you enjoyed looking at all of the beautiful fall displays and that it gave you a little bit of decorating inspiration as we are decorating our homes for fall this season. Don't forget to check out Walmart at the link in my video description. I am so thankful to them for sponsoring this video today. I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one, and I hope you have a wonderful day.